patriotism, resilience, bravery, lush, tranquil, independent. These words are stirring up in our little Canaries. La mwen chanje Canaries, na chanje nom bien pétri, femme jolie et petit mamay béni. That little space on the map isn't just a space, it's a community filled with people with the potential to change this nation. We can and we will.
A community is like a family, and like all families, situations occur where we may not always get along or see eye to eye. Growing up, my grandmother used to say, families stick together and helps one another. Community is made of people who care about one another and are willing to be united for the betterment of the greater good. In the midst of strife, I've always witnessed survival and strength, kindness and generosity, love and grace. My commitment and love for this community, the forgotten jewel, Canaries, has never wavered. And I know that whatever I do, and no matter where I may go, my home is in this community. We must never forget where we came from and the people who have helped us as we are glowing and growing. I also remember the core values my grandmother and mother taught me as a child. Be kind to others and always try to find a way to help others. Don't ever make something just about you. I believe when we lift each other, we rise together. More than ever, we must remember to help others. We all are where we are today because someone helped us along our way.
Restoring the pride, it's yours and it's mine. Let's do this together, preserve for the future. Restoring the pride, it's yours and it's mine. Let's do this together, preserve for the future. Yeah, sweet Beatles, nothing like you. So iconic on this beautiful island. Yeah, we adore you, so we will protect you, so your beauty can be seen by all eyes. Yeah, rise up, high Beatles, rise up to the occasion. Let the whole world recognize your beauty, you're a sensation. Yeah, we are special people, so let's rediscover what the Beatles mean to you and me. Restoring the pride, it's yours and it's mine. Let's do this together, preserve for the future. Restoring the pride, it's yours and it's mine. Let's do this together, preserve for the future. Oh, we are so blessed to be loved by the rest. World Heritage status.
We can and we will.
Let's not forget to keep safe from all threats. Beatles conservation is our vocation. Rise up, high Beatles.
We can, we will. In Canaries, we have a spirit of togetherness.
Recognize your beauty, you're a sensation. Yeah, we are special people, so let's rediscover what the Beatles mean to you and me.
We can, we will.
It's yours and it's mine.
Profoundly, man. We can and we will.
Somebody say him that day, every girl just tick it and tack it and tack it and tick it and go down. We can and we will.
Rise, beat it, rise, rise, rise.